to EEE lovers. Today we are going to discuss the electrical current. What is meant by electrical current? It is defined as flow of electrons. It can also be defined as the rate at which the electrons flow along the conductor. It is represented by the symbol I and it is measured in amps. It is called as an electrical current. The next thing is voltage. The force that causes an electrical current to flow in the conductor is known as voltage. It is represented by the symbol V and it is measured in volts. As you see in the diagram, we can clearly notice that the positive and negative terminals of the battery, it is connected to the bulb of positive and negative. You can see that the flow of current from battery to voltage means the speed to reach the bulb. The next thing is resistance. It is defined as property of a conductor that opposes the flow of an electrical current. It is represented by an symbol R and it is measured in ohms, where R is equal to rho L by A, where rho is equal to resistivity in ohm per meter and L is equal to length of the conductor in meters, A is equal to area of cross section in amp square. Here you can see that clearly the less resistance and more resistance, whereas less resistance in the good conductors such as gold, silver, copper, they have less resistance, and the more resistance with an wood and plastic, they have more resistance, so that they are produced while flowing the current as seen in the blue color line arrow mark. They flow easily in less resistance, whereas in the more resistance there are some opposing force. It is called as a resistance. The next thing is conductance. It is defined as the inducement offered by a conductor to flow of current. It is also defined as the reciprocal of resistance. It is denoted by the symbol G and it is measured in mho. Thank you. You can see that clearly in the diagram. The voltage in red color arrow is flowing in the conductor. The green color means it is conductor. The current and the voltage, the force going to move the electrons present in the conductor from one place to another. The black arrows are represented the resistance and the blue color is represent the current. The force to move from one place to another by the red arrow means voltage. I think you all love the video. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. And you